Hello everyone! We have studied the 10 basic vowels and 14 consonants in previous units. Now, can you read letters formed by their combinations? I have no doubt that you all will do fine. In this unit, we will study vowels and consonants that we didn't cover. We will put special efforts to distinguish the difference in simple, aspirated, and tension sounds. You will also be able to read diphthongs in hangeul. In this table, we already covered these parts when we studied the 14 consonants. These 5 consonants are simple sounds. The letters in the next row are aspirated sounds. There are letters that represent tension sounds that are voiceless. These letters are formed by overlapping simple sounds to make a tense sound. Now, let's practice by combining them with the vowel A. Okay, let's go over these letters. A simple sound 기역, soft K, is combined with the vowel A, ka. Ka is a strong aspirated sound, ka. Ga is not aspirated but has much tension, ga. Remember ta, it is not da or ta, but a soft T sound, ta. Ta is an aspirated sound, ta. While da is a tension sound, da. Pa is a soft P sound, different from the English B, pa. Pa is aspirated like P, pa. But ba is tense without aspiration, ba. Sa is a little aspirated as the tongue touches behind the gums in between S and C, sa. Sa is more similar to S and is tensioned, sa. Cha is in between soft CH and J, but is not voiced, cha. Cha is aspirated, cha. And ja is tense, ja. Ha is identical to ha, ha. Now let's distinguish these words by their sound. 가다, 까다, 다르다, 타다, 따다, 바다, 파다, 빠르다, 사다, 싸다, 자다, 차다, 짜다. Great! This time, we will look at other vowels than the 10 previous learned ones. Vowels of hangeul consist of monophthongs, which are simple vowels, and diphthongs, and there are 4 other vowels apart from the simple vowels. A, O, O, U, I, E. These are the 4 vowels. E is the A sound when you pronounce cat. E. E. E is E sound in pen. E. E. We is the double E sound in wait. We. We. And we is pronounced just like we. We. Other pronunciations are combinations of these. We call them diphthongs. Ye is combination of E and E. E, E, ye. Ye is a combination E and E. E and E, ye. Combine O and A for wa. Wa. Also with O and E, we. As for wa, u and a are combined to form wa. Wa. Next, u and e are combined to form we. We. Ui has no English counterpart, but you can remember it by the double O-E sound in gui. Ui. Repeat after me. E. E. We. We. Ye. Ye. Wa. We. Wa. We. Ui. These pairs are not easy to distinguish in their pronunciations, even for the Koreans. But fortunately, we don't have that many words in those letters. You don't need to worry. Let's take a look at words that use these letters. Please do not mind the meanings of the words. 우유, 여우, 요요, 이유, 야유, 예외, 여야, 여유. Now, read the following words, listen carefully and repeat please. 회사, 돼지, 스웨터, 의자, 의사, 개미, 배, 새, 해, 개, 세수, 그네, 카메라, 얘기, 과자, 서예, 와이셔츠, 화가. That's all for this unit. There are quite many words that we practiced, but you don't need to memorize them. Maybe later you will have an opportunity to learn again. Thank you. Bye.